Mastering, shifting from X to Y, enhance your English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into an incredibly useful and versatile English phrase, shifting from X to Y. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also improve your comprehension and expression in both spoken and written English. So, let's get started on this exciting journey together. Shifting from X to Y is a phrase that describes the process of moving, changing, or transitioning from one state, position, focus, or approach, X, to another, Y. It implies a transformation or change in direction, method, opinion, or position. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, such as personal development, business strategies, technological advancements, or even changes in societal norms. To grasp the versatility of shifting from X to Y, let's explore it in different scenarios. Personal development. She is shifting from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset, embracing challenges as opportunities to learn. Business strategies. The company is shifting from traditional marketing strategies to digital platforms to reach a wider audience. Technological advancements. The world is shifting from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources, addressing the urgent need for environmental sustainability. Societal changes. Society is shifting from viewing education as a one-time stage in life to considering it a lifelong journey. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be employed to describe progress, evolution, or change across various aspects of life. Understanding and using the phrase, shifting from X to Y, effectively can enhance your communication skills, making your arguments, stories, or explanations more dynamic and insightful. It helps you convey the concept of change or transition clearly and concisely, which is essential in both everyday conversations and professional communications. Congratulations on adding shifting from X to Y to your English toolkit. By understanding and applying this phrase, you're well on your way to more nuanced and effective communication. Remember, language learning is a journey of continuous improvement, and every new phrase you master brings you one step closer to fluency. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.